Undo. One click undoes the last change. I am undoing the knot in this rope. I have undone all my earlier mistakes. I have been undoing the damage for weeks. I undid the top button of my coat. I was undoing the wrapping when the phone rang. I had undone the settings before the update. I had been undoing his edits for hours before he noticed. I will undo the changes if they cause trouble. I will be undoing the stitches all evening. By tonight, I will have undone the whole tangle. By then, I will have been undoing this mess for a week.